Hey beautiful, what's up? It's your girl ENAIL, bringing you a press-on nail video. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I create my press-on nails using the ENAIL Couture nails. I'm going to be using these square nails as well as their French tip nails. So to start off our press-on nails, you always want to make sure to prime and dehydrate your nails. Before I actually apply this, I did go ahead and just buff my nails. When you create that buff, you create some friction so that the nails can grab onto and the primer can settle and the dehydrator can actually get on your nails. So it's very, very important. I'm also going to be trying out something that I'm actually really excited about. This is the ENAIL Couture Press-On Nail Gel, and this is in the shade pink. So if you guys have been following my nails videos, you might know that I actually tried the APRES version of this, and I was allergic. It was very, very tragic and super, super sad. So when I saw that ENAIL Couture had a similar setup to that, I was like, I have to try this out. I am obsessed with the bottle. It has a very, very long handle so you can grab on to the actual nail brush and it gives a very seamless application. So I apply this all throughout my nails as if I was just painting them with gel polish, and then I cure them for about 30 seconds, and then I'm going to move on to actually showing you guys how I apply my press-on nails. Super easy, trust me, and stick along, girl, because I got you. So next I'm going to be grabbing the square version of the nails. I'm going to fill the nail with the press-on gel because that's just the design I'm doing today. And I actually leave a little bit of the press-on gel at the bottom so it can fill up the actual nails. And I go through and I do that for every single one of my nails, just applying the press-on gel evenly throughout and leaving a little bit at the cuticle area. That way it can fill and really stick. This is going to be kind of like our glue to ensuring that our nails stay on a while. So you do want to leave just a little tad, not a lot so it overflows, but just enough. Once I have all the nails on, I do cure it for 60 seconds in the lamp. So next we're going to move on to some filing and buffing, and this is very important to me because I like my nails to be a certain shape. I don't want them to be very bulky. I want it to be kind of slim and kind of like a slim tapered square look. I'm obsessed with square right now. And so yeah, I just file them down using an APRES nail file. It's 100 and 180 grit. I do this throughout all of the nails. I didn't really have to do this for the square for the square French nails, but I did have to really work to get that shape with the square nails from ENAIL Couture. Once I am done, I do buff the top of the nails. I feel like this gives a really good way to just apply the gel, and it gives a seamless look, especially with the French tip nails. So definitely buff those out. It's going to give you a really flawless application of your gel polishes. And here's what it looks like. And speaking of gel polishes, today I am going to be using some polishes from Macart. We have this entire collection as well as a very special collaboration that Macart dropped with Femi Beauty. I'm obsessed with Macart gel polishes. If you guys are looking for affordable gel polishes, definitely use my code when shopping with Macart, and I'll link it on the screen as well as down below. So on my middle finger, I do apply the Femi Beauty Sparkles. I do 2 layers of this and feather it down using this nail brush that I got from Amazon. Before I do apply into the UV lamp, I definitely remove some of that gel from the side walls. So I'm using this dish that I got from Amazon to just deposit my gel color because I know I'm going to be hand painting some art today, so I just want to have the polish readily available. I do grab my brush. This is a brush from Nail by Dev, and I like it, but I don't love it. So if you guys know of a really good brush, definitely let me know down below. This look was actually inspired by a creator on Instagram, which I don't remember her name right now, but I'll try to link it down below. This is going to be like a rainbow inspired, but not colorful rainbow, but it's like a pretty cool trail using the 4 colors that I have on this nail deposit marble thingy that I got that I can't remember the name of right now. So yeah, I'm gonna just be using this to design the rainbow. So if you guys have any question on that, let me know down below. I can definitely let you know. And if you guys know a good nail brush, hook your girl up, because I do like this, but I don't love it, and a part of me feels like there might be something better out there. So it works really well, don't get me wrong, but I just don't love it. So once I have my rainbow all set up, I want to add some butterflies. So I can't remember where exactly I got this from because I shop on AliExpress, I shop on Amazon, Macart, ENAIL Couture, but Butterflies are very popular, so wherever you can find some, grab some. So I stick a smaller one at the bottom and I have a larger one at the top. I did go ahead and create the clouds. I can't find the footage, but I did create them using some white from my cart and that dotting tool that is on the left side. It's pretty easy to create. So if you guys want a detailed video on that, let me know too. Next time I'll be sure to include that. But right now I'm just creating like a cute little star type of thing, and I just dotted a drop of that white, and I'm using this brush to just create a perfect look. I don't stop until it's perfect. So 5 hours later, once that is done, I just cure that in the lamp. And for the French nails, I'm creating like a swirl on the tip. It's pretty easy. I use that same brush from Nail by Dev, and I just create the swirl using some of the polishes that I have on the deposit. So that's why I left them there, because I knew I'm going to be doing a lot of painting and it's just easier to grab them that way. So this little dish is super helpful, and it's cute. It's marble. It looks like it has little rose quartz to it. I'm obsessed. Very cute. So there's no particular rhyme or reason to how I do the swirls. I was just feeling it out. So you can deposit them exactly how I did, which I did at the top corner going down, or just swooping them however you like, or you can just leave them without the swirls. It's up to you. But yeah, I just used 2 colors to create that. How you guys doing so far? Any questions? Drop them down below. In between the swirls, I do cure them. So I do one color, I cure, another color, and I cure. I found that this is very, very helpful, just in case you do make any mistakes. As long as you have that first one there, you don't have to worry about redoing the entire nail, which I love. And that's why I love gel polishes, because once it is in the lamp, you are good to go. You don't have to wait for drying or anything like that. So yeah. For my pinky nail, I was deciding what I wanted to do, and I decided on this dotting type of nail look. And one tip I will give to you guys when doing this is start from the bottom and go up, because if you want larger dots, you will easily get them if you start from the bottom and work your way up versus the top, work your way down, unless you want larger ones on the top and smaller ones at the bottom. So when I first was doing this, I was like, okay, I'm just going to do half the nail. But then I was like, oh no, I want to do the whole nail. So somewhere along this line, you will see me then going all the way down. It did come out cute regardless, but in the future, I would just recommend starting from the cuticle area and then working your way up, because as you deposit the color, as it goes to the top, it will kind of fade out and just get smaller dots. So that is my tip. This was very, very easy. I got this dotting tool from Amazon, and I think it was less than $10. So it's very, very affordable, and you can create really cool looks. They do come in more sizes than this one. So I don't know this exact size, but I do know there are larger ones. And I did use this as well to create clouds and the star. So it's very, very helpful when creating different designs. You don't have to use a nail brush, and you can get that same look. And did I mention that it was affordable? Love that for us. Love that. Love that. So next I'm going to grab a butterfly and put it on my thumb. This is what I came up with. I know it's pretty simple, but I feel like every nail had a lot of artwork, so I just wanted to kind of simplify the thumb and keep it just cute. So I just applied that, and then I just made sure it was down with my cuticle nipper. Once everything is good, I do cure it for about 60 seconds. After that, I'm going to grab the Madam Glam to apply our top coat, and this is what it's giving. I'm obsessed with this Madam Glam top coat because it's so shiny. Like, my nails are still shiny right now. I then go ahead and apply some cuticle oil to my nails because we want it to be really, really hydrated and give you that nice balm look, and make sure our cuticles are healthy, because that's very important as well to having flawless looking nails. So just going to apply that cuticle oil and rub that in. I don't really get it on the nails, but if I do, I just wipe it off with acetone. And the good thing about the non-wipe is you don't have to actually do that, so that's good to know. But this is what it's looking like. Super cute. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys do, definitely thumbs up this video, subscribe to the channel, join the Glam Girl Squad, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video.